Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to check and cancel Google Play subscriptions. Suppose if you have subscribed or purchased something in Google Play Store, if you would like to check out how many subscriptions you have in Google Play Store, yes, you can check that too. And if you would like to remove any one of them, yes, you can remove, or if you would like to remove completely, yes, you can do it. What you have to do, go to the Google Play Store, and then this is where you will learn after opening Google Play Store, and click on this profile icon, and here you have to go to payments and subscriptions, so that you will have here subscriptions options. Just to click on that, so that you will have all the subscriptions here itself. You can check what are these services you have subscribed. Okay, here I have subscribed to Google One storage and YouTube Premium. Okay, it is already expired, and if you would like to remove any one of them, yes, just to click on the remove, so that it will be removed. Click on remove again, and it will be removed. Yes, it is removed. Okay, and now Google One is available. Okay, it is active. Okay, so if you would like to cancel it, click on cancel subscription, and then yes, it will be cancelled. I don't like to cancel as of now, because it is important for me, Google One. So I needed it, so I keep it. Okay, so in this way, what are all the services you have, what are all the apps you have purchased here, that will be available here. Just you can select any one of them, and just you can select and cancel as per your wish. Okay, so in this way, you can easily check out how much subscriptions you have in Google Play Store. And